Good morning guys, in front of me is VIVO IQOO Z5X and let me show you how to do the fingerprint. So at first open the settings, then find and select security and click on fingerprint. Now select some backup to your fingerprint, it can be pattern, draw the pattern that you want to apply, click on next and re-enter it just to confirm. And now manage your notification content however you like. So now it's time to enter your fingerprint. You can see that the sensor is located on your home screen, so you just have to grab your phone in a normal way and keep tapping till your fingerprint is fully added. Tap on done then, and as you can see from now on, you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.